Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, today's cleanup day. I've pretty much emptied out the garage of all the garage sale stuff, except for all this stuff that's sitting over here. This is all the donations. Well, not all the donations. This is the donations that Lydia have. Rather than trying to sell every last stick in the building, we decided long ago that we would sell for the 2 days or 3 days that we wanted to have the garage sale going. The rest of it got donated. If people don't want it, maybe the price is too high, we'll put it someplace where the price is so low they can't afford not to buy it. So a lot of those books are going to be going to a local church. Some of the dishes are going to be going to local thrift shops, church-affiliated thrift shops, along with the bedding and other things. But this stuff is going to the restore. Now, one thing about the restore, I never take back anything I bought there. I will give it away, I will throw it away before I take it back there after I bought it there. It's just a affectation that I have. I'm thinking I could just walk in there and give them $2 and be better than buying the same stuff that I gave them. Lots of traffic noise this morning. But these drill bits, early on I was practicing on drill bits, and I took pretty much anything that came in the door and cleaned it up and tried to sharpen it and see what it would do. And that was a thing to do because there was a time when I didn't have very many drill bits. But now I have lots of drill bits. And these really are too far gone to monkey with. They work, but I don't like them with the tang cut off. Actually, you can use this in a brace. You can tighten up a straight shank drill bit in a brace and it will drill, but it's just not the right thing to do. It screws up the chuck. Some of these obviously were cut off so somebody could drill a hole with them in some place that they needed to drill a hole. And that's fine, you know. It was their drill bit at the time and they drilled the hole with it. But anyways, this stuff is going down to the Habitat for Humanity Restore, so that means a road trip. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. So this is just a short video, kind of a close-up of what happened. The garage sale went really well. Had a couple of viewers come in. Tom was the first actual customer that we had on Friday. He came in and looked around and ended up walking out with a saw. And then David and his lovely girlfriend, wife, not sure, significant other, we'll go with the, what do they call that now? Significant other, well, that's actually probably 20 years old stuff. I'm so far out of it, I just don't even know where it is anymore. Anyways, they were here, and they wanted to see Sadie. So Sadie came out and was star of the show for a few minutes and loved it. She got a free bone because she didn't do anything to earn it. She just got a bone for coming out and saying hi to her fans. One of the things that they said was I should have Sadie in at least one video a week. So we'll see if we can work Sadie in there somewhere. So I'm off on my way to the Habitat for Humanity Restore, and we're gonna get rid of some stuff. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know, I read them all. And this is the last one on the whole garage sale thing. I'm really tired of it. We spent a week getting ready, 2 days sitting out. I forgot my hat yesterday. I got a little sunburn on top of my head. And now we spent a day on Sunday cleaning up and getting everything packed up, and I'm going to spend one more day on Monday delivering stuff. So We'll see you tomorrow with something other than garage sale. Maybe a little bit of Sadie, though.